With this example, we have f of xy equals negative x cubed plus 4xy minus 2y squared plus 1. So fx is negative 3x squared plus 4y, and fy equals 4x minus 2y. And so then I set those equal to 0. And in this case, it seems best to, in this case, we've got one of them is pretty simple and one of them is quadratic. So when we have a simple and then a quadratic, the best thing to do is solve for x and y here and then substitute in. So then, because we want these are both true together. So in this case, y equals 2x. So if y equals 2x, I can substitute into the other one, and I get 3x squared plus 4y becomes 8x equals 0. And so that means that factor out the x. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Sorry about that. Factor out the x, and we have x times 3x plus 8 equals 0, which means x equals 0 or x equals negative 8/3. So remember that y is 2x. So in the case when x equals 0, then y equals 0. In the case when x equals negative 8/3, y then is negative 16/3. So my critical points are 0, 0, and negative 8/3 and negative 16/3. Okay, well then I need to do two different calculations. So then I need, so well, before that, I need all the second derivatives. So then I need fxx is, fxx is negative 6x. Fyy is negative 2. Fxy is positive 4. And so D equals negative 6x times negative 2 plus 4 squared equals 8. No, equals 12x plus 16. So in the case when, for my critical point 0, 0, then D equals 12 times 0 plus 16. So D is positive. So recall that when D is positive, then I've got an extrema. And fxx is 0 there, but fyy is negative. And so then that means that I've got relative maximum. So I can use either of these. And so that means I've got relative max. At 0, 0. Well, okay. And here, when I've got my other point, negative 8/3, negative 16/3, then D equals 12 times negative 8/3 plus 16. So that's equal to negative 32 plus 16 equals negative 16. So when D is negative, and I have a saddle point. So that means that -8 thirds, -16 thirds is a saddle point. And there we found all of our critical points and determined what type of critical point they are based on the second derivative test.